Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Sand Valley. We will feature ang most requested na lot, ayan, ni Ma'am Catherine. Ayan. So I hope matapos mo tong video na to up until the end para makita mo kung gaano kaganda yung property dito sa Sand Valley. But before we continue with this video, I would like to invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that little bell so that you will be notified every time we have a new video. So my name is Jen, so let's start. Okay, so guys, papasok tayo ngayon ng Sand Valley. Okay, so para makita nyo kung gaano kalapit lang yung ipapakita ko sa inyong lot. Okay, so this is the gate ng Sand Valley. So no permit, no sticker, no helmet, no entry. So this is the gate. Pakita lang natin yung ating ID.
Good morning po.
Okay, so this is from the gate. So tingnan natin kung gaano kalapit lang yung area na pupuntahan natin. Okay, so yan, nakikita niyo yung mga houses, yung mga magiging kapitbahay nyo dito sa Sand Valley. Okay, so this is the promenade. So dito papunta tayo sa clubhouse, village clubhouse. Dito malapit ka lang sa village clubhouse. So ganyan lang kalapit. Ayan, ang pupuntahan natin. So Cedar Street. So this is Cedar Street. Okay, so magpa-park muna tayo, guys. Okay, so ito yung magiging kapitbahay mo, guys. Ayan o, ang laki. May pinapagawa na bahay dito. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so this is the lot. Okay, so this is ayan, lot 15. So, lot 15, Cedar Street. This is 323 square meters. Okay, so yan yung mga kapitbahay mo. Nice, ang ganda ng mga kapitbahay mo dito, guys. So this is a first class community. Ayan, malapit ka sa clubhouse, village clubhouse. And ito yung magiging view mo from your lot. Okay, so kung ayaw nyo ng noise, gusto nyo peaceful, quiet, ayan, malapit lang sa gate. Ayan, this property is for you. Maganda yung location natin, guys, no? Very motivated ang seller na ibenta tong property niya kasi yung seller na to will retire in the US, kaya binibenta niya na tong property niya. Okay, so para sa mga taong ayaw ng noise or view ng Manila, ayan, at kung habol mo ay peace and serenity day and night, ayan, this is for you. Okay, so let's take a look yung mga kapitbahay natin dito. Ang ganda ng community to na, ang ganda ng community na ito, guys. Okay, so yan yung mga magiging kapitbahay mo dito, and you are surrounded ng mga trees. And look at that, very well maintained ang mga garden natin dito sa Sand Valley. Okay, so look at that, guys, yung magiging kapitbahay mo. This is ang contour ng lupa na to, guys. Ayan, so ang contour ng lupa na to ay uphill. Ayan, medyo mas mataas siya. Okay, so again, this is your lot na tinitignan natin ngayon. Okay, so shout out sa ating mga Ayan, shout out sa mga clients natin na laging naka-tune in sa ating channel. Ayan. Okay. Again, no, kung gusto mo malapit ka sa gate, and gusto mo tahimik, very peaceful, quiet, ayan, at yun nga, malapit ka lang sa gate, guys, this property ay tamang-tama sa'yo. Okay, again, 323 square meters to, guys. So if you are interested to check out and buy this property, okay, so contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Okay, so guys, ito yung property. Medyo malaki-laki ang iyong, ganito po ang mga cut dito sa Sun Valley, no? 300, ito, this is 323 square meters. And yan yung mga, yan, lakad tayo dito. So again, no, sa mga taong gusto ng peaceful, quiet, ayan, ang ganda dito, guys. Okay. Ayan. So dito malalawak yung daan natin. And sa umaga pwede kang mag-walk dito. Very peaceful talaga. Okay, so yan, ang ganda guys ng kapitbahay mo, no? At sobrang tahimik dito. So may mga iba kasi maganda yung bahay pero hindi maganda yung community, guys. Dito ang gaganda ng bahay tapos ang ganda ng community. And this is the clubhouse, no? Medyo lapitan na natin yung clubhouse. Ganyan ka lang kalapit sa clubhouse. This is the village clubhouse. Meron na rin yung swimming pool. Okay, and yan yung pinakamalapit na amenities mo dito sa Sun Valley. Diyan sa lot na yan na pinapakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so this is the village clubhouse. And we have a, ayan, ito rin is the promenade. Okay, so yan ang magiging view mo dito, guys. Ayan, so andun ka again. Ayan, so dun again yung property na binibenta natin ngayon. 323 square meters siya, guys. Ayan, this property is selling in the market for 23,000 per square meter. So negotiable pa yon, guys. Ayan, ganda. Wow, imagine kung dito ka nakatira, guys. Sobrang peaceful. Ay, may langgam. Ayan, sobrang peaceful dito, guys. Ayan, kakulay ko pa yung mga grass. So, lakad tayo ng konti dito. Nice, diba? Look at that. So, well-maintained yung mga grass natin dito, guys. Tignan nyo. No? Okay, so, wow. Look at that. Ang gaganda ng mga puno. Okay. This is Sun Valley Avenue. Look at that road. Ang ganda ng community niya. No? Talagang first class community dito, guys. Ayan. So, tignan natin yung view dito nung property. Okay. So, yun. No? Yung kanina sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay. So, katapat mo, ayan, hindi ko lang alam kung magtatayo pa rin ng bahay dito, pero I think for now wala namang nakatayong bahay, so unobstructed view ka pa dito. Wow, nice talaga, guys, no? And ito yung promenade. Merong store dito sila. Okay, and this is the clubhouse. Okay, so pwede kang, sige, puntahan nga natin yung clubhouse. Ang lapit ng clubhouse dito, guys. So, again, so this is the village clubhouse. Nice, tignan nyo guys, no? So, kung dito ka nakatira, may mga picnic tables. Ayan, dito ka pwede mag-walk sa morning o sa gabi. Nice. No? This is the clubhouse. So, pwede nyo ma-enjoy to once na nandito kayo sa Sand Valley. Okay, so look at those flowers. Ang gaganda. And guys, ito yung ating swimming pool dito. Wow. One of the amenities dito sa Sand Valley. Actually, maraming 3 clubhouse, no, ang pwede nating puntahan dito. Ayan, merong basketball court, may picnic tables. Nice. Okay? So, guys, nakita na natin yung perks mo once na ikaw ang makakabili ng ating property dito. Again, the lot area is 323 square meters at 23,000 per square meters. Okay, so negotiable yun, guys. Ayan, motivated yung seller kasi doon na siya magre-retire sa US. Okay, so that is the property na binibenta natin, and this is your view. Okay, so look at that, guys. Ang gaganda. Ang gaganda ng puno dito. 5 years from now, mas malalaki pa yan, no? So, yan yung magiging community mo dito. Very peaceful. Very quiet. Ayan, kung ikaw ay naghahanap, sa mga tao naghahanap ng place na ganito, tahimik. Tapos wala tayong toll fee, no? Kung ikaw ay from Manila or hindi mo na kailangan ng toll fee kasi dito sa Antipolo wala naman toll fee. Okay, so guys, yun lang. Ayan, so if you're interested to check out and buy this property, ayan, contact me today on the numbers visible on the screen. Yan yung property. Okay? So with that, thank you so much, guys. Ayan, natapos na yung ating vlog for today. I hope na nagustuhan nyo, nag-enjoy kayo sa mga nanonood. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And tignan nyo yung channel ko. Kung meron kayong mga gustong house and lots, residential lots for sale, ayan, pwede nyo makita nyo sa channel ko. And please like, comment, and subscribe ka na rin sa aking channel. With that, thank you so much. God bless everyone. Bye!